3 8-foot 2x6s, cardboard, 9 to 12 cubic feet of soil, and about a dozen screws is all we're going to need for this project. Alright, I start by laying out the cardboard, making sure it overlaps the raised bed frame. If you have some gaps in your cardboard, the grass and weeds will find them. Next, I go ahead and lay out the frame boards and get ready to attach them. Here I am getting the frames assembled. If you noticed, I pre-drilled and started the screws. This makes assembly much easier. If your yard has a slope like mine, you can level the bed by driving stakes in at each corner and then attaching the frame to these stakes. If the slope isn't too bad, then you don't even have to worry about this step. Okay, here I am adding the soil and getting it smoothed out. I know there's a lot of debate out there about what kind of soil to add, and I'm of the opinion that you get the best soil you can afford and know that you will be amending it over time. So whatever you can get a hold of is fine. And that's it. This project took about 30 minutes to complete, cost less than $100. So it's a great option for anybody that's wanting to get a raised bed going. I'll be sure to leave everything I use down in the description, and if you have any questions, just leave me a comment.